Number 1. WaterWipes Plastic-Free Textured Clean, Toddler Baby Wipes. Pure, simple formula. Our unscented textured clean baby wipes are clinically proven to clean and help protect baby's delicate skin with just 3 ingredients, 99.9% purified water plus a drop of fruit and berry extract. Textured for tougher messes. As babies grow, so do the messes. The soft, textured surface of WaterWipes provides added cleaning power to tackle messes on hands, faces and bottoms, making them perfect for. Number 2. The Honest Company Flushable Wipes for Sensitive Skin. Safe TO Flush. Our fragrance-free flushable wipes are designed to break down like toilet paper. For best results, flush 1 wipe at a time and do not exceed 2 wipes per flush. Removes all residue. Made with a soft plant-based cloth and over 99% water, our flushable wipes leave you feeling fresher and cleaner than using toilet paper alone. Number 3. WaterWipes Plastic-Free Original Baby Wipes. Pure, simple formula. Our unscented original baby wipes gently clean and help protect baby's delicate skin with just 2 ingredients, 99.9% purified water and a drop of fruit extract, safe for premature newborn skin. Made using minimal ingredients, our wipes are gentle enough for sensitive premature, infant and newborn skin. Whether you use them as diaper wipes or for everyday purposes, WaterWipes are ideal for all skin types. Number 4. Honest Beauty Fragrance-Free Cleansing Makeup Remover Facial Wipes. Gentle, fragrance-free, plant-based cloth. Gentle, fragrance-free, plant-based cleansing cloths remove makeup, even waterproof, dirt, and oil without feeling harsh or irritating. Made for all skin types and for daily use in both the AM and PM, sugar-derived surfactant. This non-drying formula features a sugar-derived surfactant to gently remove dirt and oil from the face and eye area. No residue left behind. Number 5. The Honest Company Fragrance-Free Sanitizing Alcohol Wipes. Made with 65% ethyl alcohol and a touch of aloe, Honest alcohol wipes sanitize plus effectively kill 99.9% of germs, remove dirt and grime from your hands plus help keep hands moisturized. Perfect for on the go, especially when there's no soap plus water around. Whether you're on a plane, at the grocery store, or at the playground, we got you covered. Hello friends, welcome to this video. We have reviewed high-quality products in our channel's video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to our channel.